Hi! Oh my god, I haven't posted a video in forever, but we're gonna change that tonight. This is gonna go up, so hopefully. Today is the 13th of December, so I'm gonna unbag my Ipsy, my last Ipsy. Actually, I unsubscribed, so just got bored, you know? It happens. Okay. The thing I like more about like Birchbox and Ipsy is the little card that it comes with says what it has and what it retails for. This bag is super cute though. Do you guys see that? Like the sparkles, and then the zipper is like a seafoam or a teal. I don't know. But maybe you can see it better like that. Let's get into it. My last one had better be monumental. Probably gonna resubscribe sometime. Just Derma E Essentials Radiant Glow Face Oil. It has jojoba or jojoba, whatever you say, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. You massage 2 to 3 drops on a clean skin. Apply day and night. That's cool. It's such a cute little container. Like, you guys see that? It's so cute. And it looks like it has like glitter in it. Which hopefully that does not transfer to like when you put it on. That would be annoying. Okay, next thing is right on nip+fab. I am growing to love this brand. I have so much other crap because of Ipsy, it's not even funny. But this is nip+fab Hydrate. It's Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. But it's for wrinkles and stuff, but like I just like putting it on my skin because my skin's dry. God, it all smells the same. Oh, fluff. It smells like men's cologne, to be honest. Let's see if I can get it back in there without like wasting it. I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, sure, let's just put this. Yes. Does it look hydrated and plumped? Just kidding. I'm fat. Of course my cheeks are plumped. Let's be real. Like, come on. Next thing, what we got? What we got? Ooh, ooh, oh, honey. This is from Smashbox. Oh god, look at the packaging. I just creamed myself. What color is this in? It's in Legendary. I don't know what this stands for. Ready? Ready? Oh, girl. Or boy, I don't know. My lips are super chapped. So let's put moisturizing lip balm on there first. They're super chapped. That's what I use. It's good when I remember to use it. Like, seriously though, for stuff to work you have to use it, which is such a foreign concept to me. My mirror's so dirty. Watch me get it on my teeth and then not notice. That'll be rad. That's cool. Sorry. I am very professional. Alright, it feels like we just have 2 more things. One of them feels like a brush. Hey, that's extra as hell. Right, I love how it doesn't have a name or anything. That's cool. But this is actually textured. If you see that, it's textured. It wouldn't pick up on camera. Then that's also bedazzled. It's bedazzled. And I think it does have a name. What the hell does that say? Boy, I don't know. You see that? Like, you probably can't, to be honest. Like, Sorry. I can't tell. Last item. What we got? What we got? What is that? What is this? Is there no birds on here? What are you? I have questions. Like, what in the world? Oh my god, excuse me while I take 10 hours to do a simple task. It's fine. I'm a fucking failure. It's okay. It's okay. So how was your day? Was it horrible? Mine wasn't like the worst, but it wasn't enjoyable, you know? It's great when I left. So what in the world? Okay, this is NYX. Waterproof eyeliner. It's not in black. It's very creamy though. It's in brown. Or would that be a bronze? You have a name on you? It's a slide on, glide on, stay on. Definitely a turn on. Waterproof Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good the name had to be this long. Did it? Did it really? But it is in the shade Brown Perfection. That's cool. I feel like this would make a good eyebrow pencil, to be honest. It seems like it's my shade. Let's do this and see how dumb I look. No, I was gonna show you my eyebrow pencil and compare, but like, maybe it would be too dark. Played way too much pressure there. That one is more arched than this one. Okay, now let me get a brush. Make it look nice. I'll just go through the eyebrows. I'm like the only person who's not into super dark eyebrows. I mean, they look good on other people, just not me. I don't know. I'm a very light person, so they look so just little. They're obnoxious. Just pick my nose. Anyways, that is everything in December's Ipsy box that I got. Everyone's box is different, of course. If you're interested, I will maybe leave a referral link down below. So, like, you get points, I get points. We can buy cool stuff on Ipsy. Because they, oh my god. They also sell full-size products of what there is in the bags. So, that's cool. Yeah, I'm back. Hopefully. Kind of want to try to post videos more often, but I work a lot. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as you do, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I remembered.